here's another way we can use an old calendar. This one here, I like these dividers because they're thick and I use them more for cards, and I could use it for this project, but I don't have to. What I'm doing now is using just a regular sheet of paper because this is not a gift. It is just a functional folder, kind of a pocket folder that I need. And so I'm going to use this page. And this is what I've done so far. What I want is a little folder for these little drawing cards. And they're kind of divided according to the item that you're practicing drawing. And I thought it would be good to not use up all my clips, but rather have a little folder. And this is what I ended up with. So all these little drawings, they fit in the little pocket, and then they'll be separate, and I'll know that these are drawing little people. So this is just a page from the old calendar. Now, the first one I tried, I kind of eyeballed it all, and because I'm using this as the template for the folder, this is my first one. You can see what I did wrong. I put the little drawing pages in here, and I cut the wrong angle. So that doesn't work. So don't do that. Don't cut that way. We're going to cut this way. And in this one, I liked, okay, but I couldn't get the cards all the way down because they kept getting caught on this, which is why on this one, this part is extended clear up here, and this is it, so I can clear it. I can clear this part and get it in there a little bit better. So I'm going to make one for this, and it's just trial and error, and if I make a mistake, it's no big deal. So let's see what we can make out of this.